Have you been wondering how to keep your energy, stamina, and overall vitality strong as you cross the age of 40? Well, you're not alone. Studies show that testosterone levels in men decrease by about 1% per year after the age of 30. By the time you're 40, you might notice changes in energy levels, muscle mass, and even your performance in the bedroom. But here's the good news. You don't have to let these changes define you. There are natural, doctor-approved ways to help you feel vibrant and energized again, without relying solely on medications or extreme measures. In today's video, we'll uncover powerful tips to naturally boost male vitality after 40. From lifestyle changes and specific foods to effective exercises and proven relaxation techniques, you'll find everything you need to regain your edge. And before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on more expert tips to enhance your health, relationships, and overall well-being. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get started. Number 1, prioritize quality sleep. Did you know that sleep is like a nightly tune-up for your body? It's during deep sleep stages that growth hormone levels peak, testosterone production resets, and your body repairs itself. Poor sleep isn't just about feeling tired. It can disrupt your hormonal balance and reduce your vitality. Here are some actionable tips to enhance your sleep quality. Stick to a schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your room cool, around 18 degrees Celsius, dim the lights, and avoid screens an hour before bedtime. Opt for a relaxing bedtime routine. Read a book, take a warm bath, or listen to calming music to signal your body that it's time to wind down. Pro tip: include magnesium-rich foods like almonds, spinach, and dark chocolate in your diet. Magnesium helps relax your muscles and promotes restful sleep. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism revealed that men who sleep less than 5 hours a night experience a significant drop in testosterone levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of high-quality sleep to give your body the reset it needs. Number 2, nutrition, the building blocks of vitality. The saying, "You are what you eat," rings especially true when it comes to male vitality. The right nutrients can fuel your body, enhance your energy, and support optimal hormone levels. Focus on these key food groups. Lean proteins. Foods like eggs, chicken, fish, and lentils are essential for muscle repair and testosterone production. Healthy fats incorporate avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your meals. These fats support heart health and hormone synthesis. Zinc-rich foods. Oysters, pumpkin seeds, and beef are rich in zinc, which plays a vital role in testosterone production and sperm quality. Antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables. Spinach, kale, berries, and citrus fruits combat oxidative stress and boost energy levels. Start your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie. Blend spinach, a banana, chia seeds, and almond milk. This simple drink provides a powerful punch of energy and vitality. Number 3, exercise. Keep your body in motion. Staying active is one of the most effective ways to maintain strength, stamina, and overall health as you age. Exercise not only boosts testosterone levels, but also improves cardiovascular health, mental clarity, and mood. Here are the best exercises for men over 40. Strength training. Lifting weights twice a week helps maintain muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. Squats, deadlifts, and bench presses are excellent options. Cardiovascular workouts. Activities like jogging, swimming, or cycling improve heart health and promote good circulation, essential for vitality. Flexibility and balance exercises. Incorporate yoga or Tai Chi to enhance mobility, reduce stiffness, and lower the risk of injuries. Even if you're pressed for time, a brisk 30-minute walk daily can yield remarkable benefits for your physical and mental health. The key is consistency. Show up for your body every day. Number 4, manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your hormones, leading to fatigue, reduced testosterone levels, and even weight gain. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining vitality. Here are simple yet effective stress relief techniques. Meditation and deep breathing. Spend 10 minutes daily focusing on your breath to calm your mind and lower cortisol levels. Exercise. Physical activity is a natural stress reliever and mood booster. Social connections. Spend quality time with loved ones. Studies show that social support can significantly reduce stress. Pro tip, try journaling at the end of the day. Writing down your thoughts can help you process emotions and end your day on a positive note. Number 5, stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, poor circulation, and reduced overall performance. Water is essential for optimal body function, so make hydration a priority. Tips for staying hydrated. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Adjust your intake based on your activity level and climate. Avoid sugary drinks and opt for water, herbal teas, or infused water with lemon, cucumber, or mint. When your body is well hydrated, you'll feel more energized and mentally sharp throughout the day. Number 6, boost testosterone naturally. Testosterone levels naturally decline with age, but there are ways to counteract this process naturally. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, can lower testosterone levels. Losing even a small amount of weight can make a big difference. Get enough vitamin D. Spend time outdoors to soak up sunlight or consider a supplement. Studies show that adequate vitamin D levels are linked to higher testosterone. Limit alcohol and sugar. Excessive consumption of alcohol and sugar can suppress testosterone production. Try herbs and supplements. Fenugreek, ashwagandha, and ginseng have shown promise in boosting testosterone. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplement regimen. Don't underestimate the importance of regular checkups. Seeing your doctor regularly can help. Monitor your hormone levels. Detect and address underlying conditions early. Personalize your approach to maintaining vitality based on your health needs. There you have it. 7 natural and doctor-approved ways to boost your vitality after 40. From prioritizing quality sleep and eating nutrient-dense foods to staying active and managing stress, these small but consistent actions can lead to big changes in how you feel. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your health. Start with 1 or 2 tips from this list and gradually incorporate more into your routine. Celebrate each small victory, and most importantly, be patient with yourself. If you found today's tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from these insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which tip you'll be trying first, or share your own experience. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, more vibrant you. See you in the next video.